mic.
Come
We
closer
would
to the
really like to
microphone.
interview you.
Okay, so for you all, Miss Katmaitan, Johnny Joy is a girl.
As a
She
girl,
is not
sorry.
playing as a guy. This is an example of cross-playing. Okay, for those of you that don't know, this is an example of cross-playing.
What made you choose the character?
Because of the movie.
The hood, ma.
You like hood?
Do you practice martial arts? No.
First year high school.
First year high
High
school.
school. You practice martial arts. Are you a dancer?
No, not.
Not really, but you can dance.
But you can dance.
No,
So
you
people
can
see
dance.
that
It will be my
Pwede lagyan ng ilaw.
First.
first.
Wow, it's wonderful for a first.
Joni, where did you get your costume?
actually fashion.
Ayos na ko rin pa.
Well, at least ano siya.
Oh, at least diba?
Ano siya?
Did somebody make that?
Taylor made it.
Tailor-made.
You made it yourself?
No.
Only this.
Only this.
Did that one.
I bought this at Gmail.
What's that? What's that originally?
Dog chain.
A dog chain.
A dog chain.
Oh!
Wow. Wait, it's a dog chain. Very fashionable.
That's a dog chain and she made it like that one for the assassin. Wow!
Wow. So if it's the character, turn around please.
Turn around please. Let us see the
There.
costume. Wow.
Okay. Joni, where did you get your sword?
I just rip it from YouTube and then mix it all together with Ultra Mixture.
The sword.
The sword!
The sword, yes.
Isa na wala din.
From? From Gaisano Mall.
Sponsor!
I love Gaisano Mall na ha. Lahat ng cosplayer needs natin. Nandiyan na. Wow.
Can you give us a pose?
Yes,
We would
cool
like
pose.
to see a pose.
Wow. Looks really like Altair from Assassin's Creed, don't you think so? Yes. Thank you, Joni.
Thank you, Joey.